Day 67. Power. The sovereign timeline. Command. Today I jump into the timeline of power. This is my reality now. Mini transmission. Power is not control. It is not domination. It is alignment with truth and the courage to stand in it without shrinking. Real power is never taken. It is remembered. You do not need to prove your power. You only need to own it. Activation. Stand tall with feet grounded. Place hands on your solar plexus and say, "My power is safe. My power is clear. My power is mine." Optional practice. Say no to something that isn't aligned. Say yes to something that calls your expansion. Choose yourself. Anchor phrase. I collapse all other options. I live in the timeline of power.